Hey everybody, happy Teacher Tech Tuesday. Mrs. Bruza here with your weekly dose of technology. This week's a very simple one for your Echo Dot. And I don't know if it's just the time of year. We just had a nice long weekend with Thanksgiving and the holiday break is only a few weeks away or what, but these days are just feeling longer and longer. And so I want to show you a way that you can potentially become inspired using your Alexa. Alexa, ask Inspire for today's clip.
You have Inspire Me enabled. Do you want to open it?
Yes.
On focus. Here's some wise words from Tony Robbins.
Very often you're getting what you're asking for. You're just not aware of how general you're asking. Clarity is power. The more clear you are about exactly what it is you want, the more your
Alexa,
brain...
ask Inspire Me for today's clip.
Today's clip is on fear. Here's some wise words from John Legend.
We're taught when we're young that the opposite of love is hate. But it's not. Hate is a byproduct. Hate is a result. Being a hater isn't cool. Nobody wants that. But hate comes from one thing: fear.
Alexa,
Fear.
Inspire Me.
On self-awareness. Here's some wise words from D. Ivan Young.
Like attracts like. These things that you expect come to you. And the more emotion you pour into anything.
So there you have it. She has a few different ways that you can ask her to inspire you. And for me, it just kind of sometimes I need that little nudge to get me through my day. And it really is something really cool that I like that Alexa does. And so, yeah, hope you enjoyed this week's dose of Teacher Tech Tuesday. See you later, everybody.